nchena wo sane a wahwe abaso de agye enkware ba so afa ba makasa na fi makenkai udim na abompai amen amen
ya dawrade asese onam adom tumi ni ahoden so na ode achewo na me awie ye brei empempenso ayadu no se ya miye wani na ya moa ampeja ugidi ansi ba bia wiase dadwe ne haw ane na da be you free adomnum ebio wonso a obepa se obeba Kristo nche no wanhwa abamubuo bi ene nipa no asemba mu afiri nyame mu ama okura akon no se obeba Yesu Kristo nche ama akon no nti anopai me setie fo se baby awo baby awote baby awugina bo wadwe mpo se ensama ye na ready Kristo na meso ade brown obesom ade abobro
FM 89.5
amen
amen
heaven heaven New Jerusalem
pa
oje me so amepe amen
amen
mamen kan say we are so for na nyina obi a chekere ne man what you say Ghana ha president our teakonya fi of so asem ma bia o so ye otimi ye and so o Nigeria president try say ono so ba na de what you say enti yase for na nyina no obi a try so obe chekere ne man
yes
enti to say Christ and so na man a wate any Christianity no ono so try say obe chekere ne man
amen
na ade asenanka rade say wa wie o sese o man na wie ono na man no o wie hansa repair o wie a wa wie rade ase
yes
na oba da fani pabi afra so no de o makọ na no do na wa yesi e mo enti ni pa nyina ase wa pass we involve na mamuamu sa na wasa me kanu ana ne man mu no bo wadwem posan nsema me kanu nei ubesom
amen
asa wa mfa me chekere wa enye sabi obi nsi trodo matwa
that's right
ona obetimi de ponko akonsuo so onko no munsuo odu ona oso onoma ukrim ni hwo edi funre sina no sisa gumu a enye what I say nti ya de dawuro no ose ya mo nkyerɛw ya no wadwuma no yanso eguso a ye na me won show go bi Bible no ko odesign bi Bible no ko John Yohane asampa etranum na ye na ready Kristo se memfa nsem we nsoma
amen
enimini yesa ababwa
amen
Yohane asampa etranum nti se mo ba ko besi enwotwe ne nkron ti asem ni se nsama wa ha no
89.5
ya baba mni ade maw na usoba you be blessed once ma me chichire wa enyeye me mfoso obi so chenchire atie me anso nshane ni pa obeti asem no adi so nshane
amen
amen do yankenkai
John chapter 5 verse 1
verse 1
ose Bethesda bubuani no ayaresa
ose Bethesda bubuani no ayaresa
yechi no Yudafo afahye dui na Yesu ko Jerusalem nyantre pono kase ho a ofre no Hebrew kase mu se Bethesda ay wontwononum na yenum na nipa pi ayarefo anifrafo pache ne wona wonfa wu
empache ana wana fa wu
ledida
yes
the train insuo no wo so
the
duru bebi ma obofo sane batade ni mu banhunu insuo no na insuo no huna chiro di kan kom no yade biala o yale no ye ne den eni pabu ho wadi mfinsia aduasan wotwe na ho mmerem ona Yesu hunu se oda ho na ote se wache no ka se no se o pese ho ya odi na oyale fo ni buase wura ni onipa bi ase nsuo no ho na ode be kwa akoto chade
na me kwa
no bi adimanim kan kom Jesus said, sorry, you get an auntie, and Tamala, when you pan away and then when you get an auntie, and sooner than Yahomeda.
But that's it. Good talking, Casimir. I have somewhat essy. When your story,
Debbie.
I have somewhat essy, and your story. Like I say, a story. I have some essy, yes, person.
Yes.
I know I can't wash him. Amen. That is a kuro. A kuro to some infants, Kumasi. That is a kuro. A Israel mamu. Now, all Tadiabi to send a bosom check. A Takuronum. What is here? Now, and so on, and you do not be out. Yansanum. Yankosan Yare. Now, Juma and Shoni Yanano. And say, every year, Buffalo be Abba Hurusun. Then Shona Huria. I ask for a while baby carton. Now, what?
Sika FM.
Oyari Anako. Obi Anshanonsu. And Shona Jenia Utomwa. Wonto. And as a Buffalo Mansoa. And Seru Toma. Wonto. Buffalo so about once a year. Amen. Once a year. Put you some another day. Once a year. Number 4 na pie. Oba so nkasa na adu so. Oba so nkramo. Wona betia no ahuru nsuo no okọ. To ahuru ya ofiri mu kwa ya no a. Wa be di ka to mu no na anya yarsa. Na nya komo. Tutim sa competition na no dele. I know. I want to force you go. And if you're and patch it, a moon. What is I? One for you on the down. The person do didn't come up. Kaka. Yes, but for about every year. Now, the person you didn't come up, Eddie free baby. Yeah, the abyssal. What you must swam a Amen.
Sika FM.
I am Mose Mranum. Erade Mahamu ye Apamadaka. Aya mercy seat. Tieniye. Aya tent. Ewo Israel. Amodi Apamadaka no. Eko simu. Now every blessed year was of Panini. Awo that year no. Okumo gang. No did moja and I will come aboa. Menkarisa. No did moja apata muamano. Apata mano. Sabani facha muamano. Sabani facha mano. Now, sa what is a concro biane concro biano. A woman chemoni answer. Obiansha no so. A woman chemusai. Yes. Yansa. First step, a do ho. A do ho. A stagia. Obia won chemu outside. That is the first stage. Second stage, I concrobia. A honsono. We are nipa. I suffer the bio. Now honsono. Your woman is your who feel minimum. Okay. Ever soon I say. Once you saw be a chiria, we will complete. So yes, yeah. Fine. And son what they do concrobia. Concrobia ni fili. Apona da no. Who you pa ni atum. Obi hu, onsu hu obi. That is concrobia no. Obi hu, onsu hu obi. Na yan say say awade nyankopɔ yi ni hu obi a. Wa ma wa concrobia no ye hu no. Wa ma wa du ho, e hu no. Ajo ama wa konkro bia. Amen. Amana ehuno. Ti asemni. Ana obia nso listen good. Obia what is saying? Wa konkro bia no. Won sana nso say we ni pasonko na taade anko different cry. Ataade a wo se ade akọ no anko. Yasran and what is here? Yasran and what special? Wow. Amen. ne ho enti okwa opatama ne ho first
opatama ne ho
no opatama o ma no second what you say
yes
moja go be Hebrews chapter 9 27 down
Hebrews chapter 9
verse number 27
verse number 27 or say na said ye edahoma Hebrews chapter 9
yeah can brass here
Hebrews chapter 9 verse number 27
kan
or say na said nipa so be preocupa no woni chete mo be ban saara so na Kristo a wode na oba afode preko say onso nipa bebre bone no be kwati bone ayi ne ho adi ne mpire no so atre wona wo hwe ne kwan no ne kon kwagim
kenkai
na end verse 10 chapter 10 verse 1 na enam se mra no kura ne peba no sunsun na nya nyoma no so banka senti ntumi ma se afode kwan na obo ne da fe no eye wona oba mu pe na se asorefo a wate wo preku ni bone ho honim bi wa enka wonya afore bo ana na imum bone won kai omuda frisia
edase adia ba ko a se no so ne se
FM 89.5
omoda so de every blessed year every blessed year
yes
na se sofu panini ko na se waya bone bia o mabio yekunu ana so wo nso a obia ni o kwanso wura kunkurum bia okotam no
asemo
ento abakwa no mo dia homa bona sene amen
amen
se mfumu boni bi won ho na so wu a no ma twetwe no fine na opiti mo janua obi ansa no nso obofo bi ba sa no mo ka no but nya bofo oje be so amepe amen
amen
esan so mo ya ni pento fa image of angel what they appear that is Christ
amen
oba jim pata moja no na sam pata moja no ade ayeni e pese e din komode oje be so amepe amen
amen
according to Psalms also onum papu moja onyame
Sika FM
onum papu moja
yes
enti se ya patema bajia onum ipese obi ati ase o se asaso mo wa me antakrabu wa wie mo wa me
dia
ati ase eni panso wa me na me asafo ro de me num papo ni mmeretie ni nwan emoja he said our Psalms na me pese obi a otie me no entie ni ye se osane no baje empata de no a straight maybe ode no tire na ni tire aya sa e kan say lake mu amen what the Psalms osane abba sa tade no obi anso no nso enti tade no aba hunu no when you see that blood ya aba jeno what the hunu nsuo no amen na ohuru mu a abua no mo jano esense enyi boni honti ekata so no de adira so se nipa ba ko ya
89.5
what I say
yes
obi jira no de se nipa ba ko ya re eyi nipa ba bra adwen se obaji mo jano a onom amen
amen
onom mo jano
dabi
the person no obi adwuri ya ne fine e wode ode
yes
enti Jesus semaya no na samo janua omu kuma bua na fefe no adwuma na Kristo ede ya no
amen
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 kenkan
Psalm 50 verse 7 oseme maimuntie na merekasa Israel tie na merebedi wadanse me nyankopon me ye nyankopon
osinyame ye nyame
enye hukuma fode nti na meka wanim
tiahaye hukuma fode ye mame nka wanim
enye wo hia fode na wo hia fode o manim da
wosia fode ye duru manim da bia
melemfa wo fie mu nantwinini
melemfa wo fie mu nantwinini
nwammo mu mpapo
nwammo mu mpapo
fise kwaye mu mu anyina wo
me
ni emepo apem so mmoa
wo me poso
mini mi poso ntakra nyine o se mini mi poso ntakra
bo nyina nyame ni
wo aduma nyina wo me ho
yes
kom de me yanka melense wo wi ase ni maye wo me di na ntwini nam
Obisa
no mpapo moja
edi nam kidini nam na mpapo moja manom
wow fa waseda po Nyankopon
jemeso amen mpapo moja nyame no bi da ana nyame nam oni bi so da
bi Obisa onya le hwe
o ja se
yes
ento mo ko wo mo ade a wo mo se obaji moja no ti asem ni wakata nipa bonenso so aye sutie na wo ya saa de anunti wode ade cover nipa bonenso no aye su blood no obi antini ni ye kan say na ekare kamera say ade nyina na odi moja te ho entimi ntehwe ho
ai Hebrews ni aka
moja ni ntini pa bia ho akata nipa bonenso
those days no
those days sorry as here akata nipa bonenso mire tie ni papo anya nkuku no moro no mamoja na akata nipa bonenso enti Christ wo yisa moja no a no de kwata de enu ade atimi ye ayo nipa ba ko ayaresa
89.5
amen ade atimi ye ayo nipa ba ko pese ayaresa obi ansa no so enti wo de hunsio na wa ba di ka atom no wanyo ayaresa na akofie na mo amaka mu gro
amen
na yeni nkomo kakra me pese atiefo tie me ne shalom so bataza suburan e won twono sai enum akwaya ye de ko ensuo no no eya ma ko 5 obi ansa no so eya pa ma ko 5 shalom so na Christ nya maye no many people be did our man ya kana semen no wada almost 38 years
abiro
and we are akoda ho 5 years and some ya with Jesus Christ
na se musupa
so to say akoda ho 5 solid years
Sika FM 89.5
and some ya with Jesus Christ what do I say you must say no how many years ana yare na ball
asem
so obi yare kodo baby 5 years 1 year 2 months any pay the fino
good
so they say not 38 years on kabusia
wanka ho we dey
so they say Christ and so said that ana ma na da said your boy na sambabam
jode beye
obi ansa no so fine yeni nkomo akono a 5 no Christ ni din Jesus edin tieniye sai kwan num no so ana ba fa so dia jinipa jebe so amen sai kwan num no so ana fa so jinipa that 5 laws Jehovah grace adom
amen
Jehovah grace adom
FM 89.5
the first word I letter J what do you say
yes
that J Jehovah judgment that J no Jehovah judgment atomwo what you say amen mami kanche ni pa nyina ase awurade nkoti atomwo anse ni pa nko so ahimemu da
amen
what you say wana matomwo so apama pamda da Quran amrani bi watan what you say amrani area ba ebu watan me pese obi a wutie me ne tie ni yi ebu watan fine and nipa bi a na wutie sasu we so no make sure say until say I am the way the life and the truth he is the way John 14 verses I think of 6 Christ you see I am the way the life and the truth so and the Christ is the only coin ya ba fa so ko sa tadeɛ no akonyi ayaresa ani ahono mfa ayaresa o ebe so obi a wotie bitie miye amen the first letter a judge judgment the pastor what say and so we should say yaresa bi already what sit down and judge yourself
good so fata
we should suffer who dear already what judge yourself first so fata the pastor what say your message is simple. So your boss say okoda subra no na yesu ko ho what's it amen the first way no Ecclesiastes 5 first one AJ second
FM 89.5
internal
good
because what you say
yes
internal na nkwa
that's right
what you say busa who say your boy atano who down kwa ewo awrade mu so eto biri bia ho ya no mo se me kasa hududu me pasa dia baburo na kanu ani dia won konkro paso kire wo no wo ma kwa mo kire wo amen yete you know was internal your boy atano and call you no tieni ye ti asemi ye papa we say we ye aban we say we ye aban
yes
ansa na moja no wo be tom no we have this club of Christ the also ache enti adeba ko yensa no nsumi
amen
bisa yesu ba o kache o simusu se no dan kwa mu
good
na anona dini ho dance that is the word from Christ's mouth
amen
dan kwa na mu se mo no dan dini ho dance that is Christ
wonderful
amen nti at times me to all some for sorry
oh
ade ya tisem pai baby wa ha ya tiso fu bi apia ha metimi bu sa mo sa no man ka so mo bu mo ho aten
c'est bon
amen the mo susu so mo dan kwa o mo ka urade ma ho
onim dia ukro
obi a wo ko urade ani mo no won mpra na te
onjeje ni hono no
o ko urade ani mo ya lesbian nya
onjeje ho
yes wo kronfo che obi a etro na mfa nko obi so
aso ye kronfo onjeje ho
onjeje ho wo bi adan so mpa no ni bi
tena onibi
what is it
onibi
unikwa
onibi
tasabri now call it the S
that's right
that is salvation
amen
you need to sit down and think so rade asem and also rade awuni ni sharian who are we chafa salvation that is the word amen we be so let me akase ka enkoji asem you be so say the word awomu tasabni me chawa ma ba fa kwano so anya hu fadie
woni niema we bia
wala ba fa kwano so the sound blood tadiano say anya tadia bio the blood of Christ
amen
oje me so me pe amen mama so wade no obi na tamu utum say sori hura no obi atamu atum so le ya me tell say ya pa ensu na ani ahona dada
amen
tia family ya ba timi di atum mama tell
yo
number 1 any so be di Yesu Kristo ayi edi wala jai boni ye number 2 no so ya say
FM 89.
assembly Yesu adi. Number 2, majai boneye. Jema so amen. Number 3, my fire should be no yamiura. Ana me kra ajenkwa. What you say? Ti asem. Number 4, my submit to myself. I'm a God spirit, so I'm control me. Ti asem. Number 5, me ni Christ abom I'm sorry, me test wo honam bio. What you say? Amen. I want to ask yourself. You be so. I saw you the abako. We be abakere. To the so do the what you say? Me person be a tiano until na additionally.
Understanding spirit.
That's
right.
Only Jesus 93 years. Christ are more money.
What you say?
And so on so on how long? What you say? What you say?
Sika FM 89.5.
Understanding. Don't you become some maybe crime you pay. You pay. So no one can say how
good.
So what you am trying to say? Obeko. Ani am na mo yeska. Ani obeka. So you say but say who you be? What checking you ma be wani to former. Once a papa ade awayam. Aba buame. Abuan chirema.
Teacher.
Any pam no ni pa no dodo. Pa no ni pa dodo o mdi ye. Ya sen pepewa. Ade na mu hu say nya pa no wasem. Bese mu hwem ye wo falasifo no nchache wo. Je me so amen.
Amen.
Na ye mori aka. So ya say ye nchache ni ho a aka te se mori aka. Udi anya ye je so tugu. Asamba na make atro no. Yo ebini Church of Christ of one church aka. America ebini ye ho dance before. America. What atia amwa. Katia ni pasa Yesu ba. Ni ba sakra na gen. Ko be jo correction ye. We nyam sabe no hom.
Ana ni ngwa.
Sika FM 89.5.
Can you not summon me pony bonnet and come on to one through? Well, I say, not a draw tight at him and swing the proof. Tell somebody, you're America. You're America. So I've been to your bunting. Now, preaching no one can free us to Christo. No one condemn you. Sandy Pan and Morika Pan.
Indeed.
I told you I'm a dear for you. Send me who? We tell who? Or the Cassage, the Passana pay, baby, I will take the American. And the Aquano, and another first consul. And I'm sure was so every blessed year. What's one is Sonic? Robert Jimo Janua, or the other one. And to all the woman but in the sight of God is the blood.
Amen.
What you say? The sight of God is the blood.
Amen.
Amen. The person is the blood. Now, the same road only a name for. Obia, Emojano, and Shoni Canon, what they can't come. When you fra, when you take. Amen. The psalmist, we Christians, say a month in your soul, when they take back on the pole.
Oh,
what is that? Back on the pole, Acts chapter 9. Among Damascus, Jesus is friend on Bible said to us, we are blinded. What is Ananias? I buy your training set on the shore cast when you're poor. And I didn't so you where the chair or crime with so Bible said twice you are not skills. A bomb, a film and so come. A Montana cano. A Montana cano. A bill and you who said no. Some get question. What is that? For a safe one church, a family. What the money can what the money can and what I listen. Jesus is like oh when they has bomb man tam what's me who there what time a so difference bam cause say o we be on Christ be so mensa de me so kasa amen e ka tell me say sorry na no nti no ya pati ache wa bu bla ya che e na me no wi bio we are petition tomate secret mama no I'm free de me so amen alcohol be busu sa dan because say we are metobi what I say no the no alcohol no ko jem won so awon no so ko jem cigarette or kojam, also I want to kojam. Do I cocaine or kojam? Also I want to kojam. Do I boss in kojam? Who about Koda, only Bama with Jessica? Doctor, amen.
Amen.
Tell somebody, do some 1, 5, and 6. I'm in fan support to Naman.
Ni Yesu Kristo a oyɛ dansefo no kɔfo ni awufo bakan ni asase so ahene sudifo
kamo asomdwen kamo
de ɔdɔ yɛ ɔdɔ ni mo gya adwale afiri
yam bɔne
aheman
ha mama ka sɛ metɔ yɛ de sapo samana yɛ de dware eyi honam ani fi but enware okra yɛ de sapo samana ani nsuo si nioma eyi honam ani atade fi but you are okra but okra de who go fear e di moja e me dware no na nya moja bia keke o aponche moja ni pa moja mu oducha no kramai eni pa moja mu oducha no ni pa ba ko moja betimi agemu adom nyina nkwa je me so amen ampanka so kofa dwani ni ba ko se be save ni pa entimi ni pa bia okra saboni awo no abako I the blood of Christ. Amen. What's the Garano? Adolfo, we hear a Garia Papa. We hear one Garia. 7 Garia to who are young Christian. I was so full. Yes, still one of the young Tom Womufium. There are so many pastors. You are the young Tom Womufium. Another pay. Make confidence from now. I want you. Jananajo Clarati. But what is some Mojan? Oba semia dia soso bomodi so be tanya ba semia na se bomodi so be ba Yesu Kristo ho no peja feso wura maba nkobio and all pay only Christ can save your life. You need Christ than anything. Forget about the worldly things, forget about the money, forget about the husband, forget about the America, Italy, Belgium. That is nothing. Forget about the money. Only Christ you need. Only Jesus Christ you need.
Amen.
What you say, amen.
Amen.
Heaven or how? What you make just a heaven or bois. And a pay, we can feel yes from now. And a pay, somebody yes from dear. Or what you do, what you wash your son. Yaya Gozi, Yadi Subrano, Yadi and your such a poo. A who near that. I dare you here and see a better yes to Christ. I have a D.
89.5.
So do I come now? No cry, no I do not do I do not coupon. No one do not go so what or my jonqua. Genesis, amen.
Amen.
As a father, I come no pamuka. Say yes to Christ near Radde. When I'm near the film from or my jonqua.
No.
And then you do a son of a son. Yes to Christ or Saba Bill, Abba Bill for and not as a 14. And therefore, no one shall.
Yada wasi ama udi ni so ya wakase se na no panso abie ya adwenem na wate ya adwenem o me ate won sama se subura no se na nya sa akwa ne mo ye kwan num awade boa ye ye hu atemu ni hu won kwan ni hu nti ase ye hu udi ni manum na se kire na ye fa so ayen so nkwaje ye ndia yada wasi wade won sama te ya adwenem ene wonyam nka odin amen.